Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a few months or a little more than that, but I've just been a busy bee with my kids. They just keep me occupied. I'm going to try to upload more. I love making videos about makeup and anything, you know, I can test out. I do love that. It makes me happy. So if I can do more of these, then that would be great. But just, you know, bear with me. I'm gonna try to figure out maybe an upload schedule of when I can do it and make more videos. So just stay tuned. So today we are going to try these eye pigments. They're multi-chrome. So they're like one color when you put it on, and then if you change different directions or in your different lighting, it changes to a completely different color. And it's by Chaos Makeup. They are an indie brand. And I found these on Instagram, I believe. I just was scrolling through and then I saw these swatches of them and I'm like, where can I get those? I need them now in my life. And when I found them, they were completely sold out. So I'm like, no, you know, sad. I was just waiting to see when their next restock would be, and when it was, I was on that thing like dip on a chip, I would say. Yeah, I was on that like dip on a chip. I was not gonna miss that. So they come in these little containers. I mean, they are kind of tiny. I wish we would get a little bit more pigment. These are $25 a piece. Now that is pretty high, but if you love makeup like I do and you just want to have it for your collection or you want to try them out, I would give them a go. Maybe get one at a time, or maybe get one and then if you like them, get more. But I think they're so cute. So I'm sorry for the lighting. I'm trying to film in natural light in front of my window, so bear with me. It has this little lightning bolt that's like their little symbol for their makeup brand. And I've got 6 shades. Now I know there's 7, but I didn't get, I think one of them was called Magma, and I was not able to get that one. So I will tell you all the colors and then I will swatch all of them on my hand. Hopefully you will be able to see it. I'm crossing my fingers, but either way, if you go on their Instagram and you look at all their pictures and videos, you'll know what I mean when they're phenomenal. So this one is Rebel Girl, which is what I have on my lids, and I did show you how I put it on and everything, so I will play that probably towards the end of the video. If you can see it from here, I don't know, but it's like, it goes to like green, blue, and then purple. Or like, yeah. So, okay, I think you see it's like blue or green. Let me see. I don't know if you can see it. Can you kind of see it in here? Ah! Okay, let me just swatch it. Okay, so, man, how come? Okay, that is so strange. It is purple on my finger, but it shows up like that. Worst swatch ever, but let's see. Can you see it? See, it looks purple on my hand, and then blue and green, and then purple. I don't know why it's not showing on camera. Ugh, so frustrating. Okay, wait. Hold on. No, kind of angle. Can you kind of see it right there? It's like there. I'm hoping that's it. It's hard to see. But yeah, okay, yeah. So you got like that blue, green, and then like a purple. So that one is gorgeous. I mean, they're all gorgeous. I love them all. But that one is super, super pretty. The next one I'm going to take is called Seaside. Okay, so it's like a light green to a dark, oh, hold on. You know, I'm gonna look them up for their definitions just so I don't butcher any of that. So, okay, so it shifts to a green, teal, and blue. So, okay, so you probably see it green. As from what I can see, it looks green when I'm looking at the computer, but when I turn, it's like, this is so hard. But yeah, so this next one is called Just a Girl. This is like, okay. So this one says it shifts red, green, purple, and magenta. Even on their website, it says it depends on, let's see, it says shade changes color depending on the viewing angle and light given. So you probably can't tell too much from the video, but let's hope I'm wrong. Let's do this next one. Pigment. Okay, so this one is Nirvana, and it says it shifts green, blue, and silver. You can probably see the silver. See, I see green. It is so tricky how in there, through the laptop, it looks different than when I look on my actual hand. Because I see all the colors changed. But there's a green, see? Okay. This next one is Lucid. And this one says it shifts purple, gold, orange, red, and magenta. That's a lot of colors. That is so weird. It looks purple. It's so weird. It looks purple, but I see like magenta. Oh yeah, I can't get over how weird that is. But yeah, these are awesome. So this last one that I have is called Gravity. And it says shifts multiple shade of multiple shade of blue to purple. That's really weird saying, but okay. So can't wait to try this one out. Get a little bit more. I hope you can kind of see it right there. Oh, that is so pretty. I think that's going to be my next one I want to try. Those are all the colors, and I freaking love them. I can't wait to wear more of them. I did do this look like I said, and I will put it at the end of the video to show you, you know, me putting on the pigment, and I used a palette to do my transition shades to put some color in there. But I only used like 2 shades. So it's pretty simple look. I hate when I get lipstick on my teeth. And that's why I'm constantly like, before I open my mouth to somebody and talking, I'm like, yeah, okay, you know. I don't know. I'm so weird, but anyway, and I am not sponsored by Chaos Makeup at all. I just wanted to show these awesome pigments that I've found online and wanted to see if they really work, and they do. I'm telling you, I love them. I can't stop staring. I'm seriously in love. So my thoughts on these are, they are probably one of the most unique things that I have seen in makeup recently. It's just absolutely crazy. I mean, you think it's one color, but when you change in different lighting, it turns to a blue or a green or a purple. I mean, they're wild. I really enjoy them. I like how they look on the lid. You know, I think it looks good. I think it looks really, really pretty. So yes, if you have a chance to get your hands on these, I would say get them. I know they also do a pressed one of the multi-chromes, but I believe they're pre-order, but they are sold out as well. But if you want, instead of a pigment, you don't want to deal with the loose pigment with the mess and everything, I would just suggest getting the pressed kind. But either way, they're beautiful, and I am so happy I got to show them to you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you can, click the subscribe button and like this video. That would mean the world to me. I love doing makeup. Anything with makeup just makes me happy. And if I can show more makeup to you and my opinion on things and reviews, I would love to do that. Just let me know in the comments if that's something that you would want. Remember, you guys are awesome, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm gonna try to upload. Oh, okay. Wish we get a little bit more pigment. This freaking sun, man. Hello. Oh my god, I can't get for these pigments. Pigment. I hate how my hair is so flat. I need some volume. Like, yes. Give me that volume. No, just it wants to be flat. Whatever. Gotta work around it. So, this completes. No, that's not the right word. Completes. That's the word.